Alright, so if you have a Ladibug, one of the newer style Ladybugs that has a single USB cord like this coming out of the back, you can actually use it along with your Chromebook during remote instruction. So this tutorial is going to explain that a little bit further. What we'll do to begin with is set up a regular Google meeting, and within Google Meet there is a function that lets you share the contents of your screen with everyone in the meeting. So to start, we'll just go to Chrome like normal. Everyone has Google Meet as a part of their Google Suite already. Up here in the top right, you click the square and you can see all of your other Google apps. Google Meet is right down here at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and click to start a meeting. Now, because we're one school system, anytime there's two meetings created with the same name, those would actually join together. So you'll need to create a unique name to separate yourself from others that might have either the same course or the same subject material. So for example, your last name, your period number, or your last name and the subject might be a better way to kind of keep your meetings unique. So we'll go ahead and call it Science 3. So now that we've created this meeting, a lot of times it will ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. We'll go ahead and click allow, and you can see that now we have our front-facing camera on the screen, and we can talk directly with everyone in the meeting. You have to, even though we've created this meeting, you have to hit join now, and that's going to actually put us in the call. It's going to give you your share information here, so you can copy this info and email it out to your students or anyone else you'd like to invite to the meeting. For now, we'll just close it out. This is not really a Google Meet tutorial specifically, so there's some functionality here that you might want to get familiar with. You can click over here on the people and you can see everyone involved in the call, you can see the chat, but we'll click off of that for now. What we're going to want to do after you've introduced yourself to class and you're ready to present material from your document camera, we'll go down here to the bottom right and hit present now. And what this is going to let us do is share our entire screen with everyone in the meeting. So it's going to bring up a sample here. We'll just click that and hit share. And now everyone in the meeting is watching everything that's on my screen. So it's safe to go ahead and minimize this window. And to use my document camera, everyone should have the IPvo Visualizer app installed on the Chromebook. It's already been pushed to every device. So you'll just look for that and bring it up. And it's going to tell us that we're sharing our screen, so we can click that away. That'll make this full screen now. This one worked right away. A lot of times it'll give you a warning here that might say your camera resolution is not supported. And if that's the case, you can just change it to the lowest resolution. The lowest resolution is going to be more smooth for your streaming quality anyway. It's not as much material to process. And so you can see now that our document camera is up, you could go ahead and begin writing stuff here, and everyone in the meeting is watching this at the same time. Now, sometimes the image could be reversed or flipped over, and you have some tools right here on the side where you can rotate the image any direction it needs to be, and you can mirror the content as well. Once you've finished presenting from the document camera, we'll just go ahead and X out of this app and go back to our Chrome where our meeting is. And now, while they're still watching everything on our screen, we can go ahead and hit stop presenting. And that's gonna just bring us back to the front-facing camera, and this is the only thing that the students in the meeting are seeing once we've stopped presenting. Of course, now we can just go ahead and end our call like normal, and we're good to go.